Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get the OG Skibidi Toilet in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. I will explain where to go, what you need to do, and how to unlock it step by step without using any cheats or the exploits. So first of all, you need to join Steal A Brainrot and load into the main map. Just make sure that your character is upgraded enough to survive because the OG Skibidi Toilet is connected to the specific areas and the tasks and not the starter zone. You need to look for the OG Skibidi Toilet area or NPC. So this is usually in a section which is relating to Skibidi characters or brain rot references. Then you can explore the map, go through the doors, and follow the signs or the posters that basically point towards Skibidi areas. To unlock the OG Skibidi Toilet, you normally need to complete a requirement such as collecting the certain brain rot items, reaching a specific level or the rank, finishing a mini quest, surviving the waves or the enemies, or buying or crafting with in-game currency. So do the task as shown for that unlock. So if it costs the in-game coins, just keep playing around and farming currency until you can purchase it. So if it requires a quest, simply talk to the NPCs and finish their objectives. Once you meet the requirement, interact with the unlock area or the menu and claim the OG Skibidi Toilet. After unlocking, you can simply equip it and use it to your next round and show it off to the other players. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.